from Ocean Breeze's Home Inspections here. We're in Garden City Beach, inspecting a beach home this morning, raised beach, and we're about to show you a problem we found with the deck supports here. This particular beam, when you take a look at it, I mean, you can instantly see that there's some rot, but it looks like surface rot. Well, until we get to poking at it, and I don't know if you can see that, but this entire board, the inner guts of it is completely rotted out. There's nothing but a shell of a board there anymore. Anyhow, that's one of the realtors on their way over here. One of the many things we come across when we're looking at homes along the beach here. Salt air and weather and constant moisture takes a bit more abuse to the homes, especially anything that's exposed wood. And that's even a treated beam, but and the house is about 12 years old. That beam is completely gone, gonna have to be replaced. Again, this is John with Ocean Breeze's Home Inspections. Have a great day.